how to fix an error occurred while launching this game Steam No Licenses error. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the No Licenses error when launching a game on Steam. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Steam app. Now on the top left, click on the Steam menu and from the drop-down, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look to the left and click on Interface. Here, you'll find an option that says Client Beta Participation. Click the drop-down menu right next to it. Now select Steam Beta Update from the list. After that, click Restart Now to relaunch Steam with the new beta settings. Once Steam has restarted, go ahead and try launching your game again. For most people, this small change will fix the error right away. And that's it. No more annoying license errors popping up. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Jack Tech for more quick tech solutions. That's all for the video and see you in the next one.